Hey guys, and welcome to another It's Official video. Something a lot of you thought never happened, but it's real. It's happening and it's official. Samsung India has just released some official images of their notch Galaxy M series, which will include the M10, M20, and M30, all with Infinity U notch. In 2018, we saw a lot of notches, but I would say the best version of the notch was the water drop notch. So these phones are having the best version of the notch, which is called as the Infinity U notch from Samsung, also known as the water droplet notch. Now, once again, you might be thinking that, whoa, they made fun of Apple and now they're doing the notch themselves. I mean, that's a cheeky U-turn. And to that, I would like to say that this notch is actually much smaller than Apple's notch, A. And B, the Infinity U notches are only coming to the budget and mid-range Samsung Galaxy phones. And these phones will have market-specific release, whereas the flagship-level phones that come internationally, the phones that actually compete with iPhones, aka the S series and the Note series, will never, and I mean never, get a notch. With the Galaxy S10 series and eventually with the Note 10, we'll get an Infinity O design. So as of now, the M series is actually specific to India with a very shocking price of just $142 for the base starting model. And from that, we'll have a $200 price for the middle model, and the highest model is expected to cost as much as $250. Here are some series of promotional images and pretty much showing off the notch Galaxy looks in real life, and I gotta say it's pretty damn good for a mid-range / budget level. We have a huge display with a great screen to body ratio. It's a 1080p screen, LCD technology. The speaker is all the way on the top edge, similar to the Galaxy S10. Another common thing with the Galaxy S10 family is the ultra wide angle lens. So M10 has dual cameras, but M20 and M30 are most likely to get 3 cameras on the back, which is a similar strategy as the Galaxy S10 family. Samsung wants to win in India. I mean, it's a huge market. There is a war against Xiaomi and other amazing brands in this price range. So with these phones, Samsung might actually make its comeback. Also, fast charging is coming across all the variants, as we can see from this teaser. And something that is very exciting is actually the battery performance. The M20 and M30 Galaxy phones are expected to rock 5,000 mAh battery cell, which is actually on par with the 5G Galaxy S10 Plus. But with a cheaper LCD 1080p display and a cheaper processor, this thing could actually go beyond 2 days of battery life. Now, I don't know what processor will be inside. It could be Exynos 7885 or Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chip. We gotta wait and see what they actually come up with. All in all, I feel like this is a right decision. The Infinity U notch design is much better than any of their old budget Infinity displays. The M series is for now coming to India pretty soon on January 28th via Amazon India, and it is expected to come to other markets like Europe. Also, just a quick update on the recent leaks regarding the Galaxy S10. We pretty much know a lot of stuff already. So Isoneer says that we're not going to see DDR5 RAM on the Galaxy S10 family, and also according to him, there's no support for UFS 3.0 storage, and he's saying all this based on the Antutu benchmark leak. Now, I personally think that the UFS 3.0 storage is a huge possibility, as we can see with the Exynos 9820 feature page, and yeah, I can agree that the RAM can max out at LPDDR4X. So no DDR5 RAM, but still it's not something that most people would notice, honestly. I'm pretty sure that these phones are going to be incredibly fast. That's all we have on the latest notch Galaxies. They are official. I just want you guys to tell me your honest opinion on this Samsung notch decision, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.